Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of video editing. I'll be showing you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve on the latest Windows 11. So, let's get started. Step 1. First things first, open your web browser. You can use Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or any browser of your choice. Now, in the address bar, type in DaVinci Resolve, and then click Enter. Now, find the link that says www.blackmagicdesign.com, then click on it. Scroll down on the page to locate the DaVinci Resolve 18 section. It might take a moment as they don't put the download button right at the top. You'll find two options, DaVinci Resolve and DaVinci Resolve Studio. The one we're downloading is the free version, so click on Free Download. Now, choose your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'll click on that. You'll need to fill in some information. Once that's done, click Register and Download. The download should start automatically. Be patient if it takes a few moments. Step 2. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. You can find it in your Downloads folder in File Explorer. It'll be a zip file, but that's not an issue as Windows can handle it. Double-click the file, and a new window will appear. Then, again double-click on the file, and you'll see it's being extracted. Once it's extracted, you'll see a list of components to install. Make sure they're all selected and click Install. Follow the setup wizard, including reading the terms and choosing the installation location. Then, click Install. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the DaVinci Resolve icon on your desktop. Open it up, and you're ready to dive into this fantastic video editing software. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed DaVinci Resolve 18 on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.